Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to add already installed game to Epic Games. I'll show you guys how to do it. You just need to click on the three dot icon next to any game and select manage option and select this open install location, and now go back to Epic Games. Here you can able to see all your games guys. Just minimize this. For example, I gonna do it for Fall Guys game. I have this game in backup, as you can see, that is 7 GB. Now you just need to copy this backup file, just cut it and paste it in the location we go Epic Games. After pasting the Fall Guys backup, we just need to minimize this and go back to Epic Games, select the install option in Fall Guys, and select the browse option. You just need to select the exact same location and select a folder option and select install option, and it will start installing. Select yes. You just need to wait until the new folder has been created. After created the folder, just pause the Fall Guys installing and select the three dot icon and select a cancel install option, and now it has been says resume. Now go back to the folder and just need to delete the Fall Guys folder as it created, just like this. Now right click on the backup Fall Guys and select rename. Just backspace these backup word and press enter. Select continue option, and now we created this Fall Guys original game files. Now you just need to minimize this. Select the resume option in Fall Guys, and now instead of installing, it will verify the game files. You don't need to install the game again. After getting verified done, you can play the game without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.